Okay, tips for swipe knife. Obviously you want a really high round kick and a hook kick, kind of like this. And in addition to that, also a really good cheat 7 and a really high side swipe is gonna make this a lot easier. Because obviously when you I think my heart's gonna stop. Because obviously what you're doing is a side swipe with the hook kick at the end of it. But there's some adjustments we need to make, right? Naturally, what you don't want to do is have a regular side swipe. You want to have your chest kind of turning in the direction that your hip is going with your kick. And then we're going to send it away to counterbalance our hook kick for more balance. Naturally, you want to treat this the same way you learned butterfly kick and then butterfly knife. It's kind of similar, right? You want to add a little half turn, rotate your hips to get into hook kick position. If you swipe and your chest is down and you're going against your body, your hook kick is going to look like ass. It's going to look trash, kind of like this. And another common mistake we often make with swipe knife is we treat it like a really big swipe, right? Same thing with jackknife. You know how a 540 is a really big swipe, inside crescent, but when you do jackknife, you don't do a crescent, it's round kick, right? So that's why for swipe knife, you need to do a round kick instead of a crescent kick or a lean back crescent kick, whatever the hell. Your hips are still rotating, you're rotating your chest with it, because if it separates like this and you end up like this in midair, you're kind of screwed and it's gonna look really weird. So you want to go with it, bring your chest with it, and then when you rotate over, now it's time to send your chest the other way because we're doing the hook kick, right? And we want to counterbalance. When I hook, my chest goes back this way. Kind of makes it look like your body's teleporting in two different places. That's how it looks really fast. It looks really violent. Looks like a very strong kick. That's how you get that, if that's what you want. If you want it to look more smooth, you know, you can try a different method, but that's the way that I do it. And lastly, for the actual hook kick part, my philosophy with hook kicks is they don't want to swing and then hook in. My hook kicks usually go straight out, re-chamber really quick, and then they disappear. My philosophy with hook kicks, I want them to be visible but invisible at the same time, if that makes any sense. So instead of going like this, I try to go like this really quickly. Out, re-chamber really quickly. Instead of swing and re-chamber, it's out, hook, and then my chest goes the other way. Okay, this gives you a really snappy, invisible but visible hook kick. If that makes sense. I don't think it makes sense. I'll do a couple so you can see. And yeah, that's pretty much my philosophy for a swipe knife. Just wanted to give you guys some quick tips. It's not necessarily a tutorial, but yeah, just let me know how it works out for you. Try it out. Send me some clips. Send nudes, please, especially nudes. And yeah, just let me know if you guys want to see anything else. I know some of you guys wanted to see Cheat 9. Might do that on another day. If you want to see any other tricks that I might be able to help you with, just let me know. I will try my best. And peace.